Hello, beautiful learners, and welcome back to this channel. I am so happy you are here today because what we are going to learn together is something that is going to change your life. Not just your English, but your career, your confidence, and the way people see you professionally. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt your heart beat faster when your phone rings and you know the call is in English? Have you ever stayed silent for too long because you did not know what to say? Have you ever ended a call and thought, why did I say it like that? I should have said something better. If you answered yes to any of those questions, this lesson is made for you. And I want you to know you are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world feel exactly the same way. But today, that changes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say when you answer a professional call. You will know how to introduce yourself, how to ask someone to hold, how to take a message, how to end a call politely, and so much more. You will also get real dialogues, pronunciation tips, common mistakes to avoid, and a full practice section so that the next time your phone rings, you will pick it up with confidence and a smile. So stay with me, take your notebook, and let us begin. Why is professional telephone English so important? Think about this. A phone call only has your voice. There is no face. There is no body language. There is no expression. The only thing the other person hears is your words and your tone. This means your language must be clear, polite, and professional every single time. In offices, businesses, hospitals, hotels, schools, and customer service centers all over the world, English is the common language of communication. Even if English is not your first language, it is most likely the language of your workplace. And the way you speak on the phone creates an immediate impression. In just a few seconds, the person on the other end of the call decides whether you are professional, capable, and trustworthy, or not. So this is not just about English. This is about the image you create. And today, we are going to build that image together, step by step. Let us start with the basics. The very first thing you do on a professional call is answer correctly. In many cultures, people just say hello and wait. But in professional English, your greeting must include more information. It must be clear and welcoming. Here are the most professional ways to answer a phone call. Good morning. Thank you for calling ABC Company. This is Sarah speaking. How may I help you? Good afternoon, XYZ Solutions. Maria here. How can I assist you today? Hello. Thank you for calling. You have reached the customer support team. My name is Priya. What can I do for you? Now let us break this down. Every good professional greeting has three parts. First, you greet the caller with the time of day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Second, you say your company name or department name. Third, you give your own name and offer to help. This structure tells the caller immediately they reached the right place, a real person answered, and that person is ready to help. It is simple, it is powerful, and it makes an excellent first impression. Pronunciation tip number 1. When you say, how may I help you, make sure the word may is soft and smooth. Not, how may I help you, with too much stress. Say it naturally. How may I help you? Practice that with me. Say it out loud right now. How may I help you? One more time. How may I help you? Perfect. Now let us talk about introducing yourself during a call. Whether you are calling someone or receiving a call, introduction is essential. When you are calling someone, say, hello, this is David calling from the operations team. May I speak with Mr. Ahmed, please? Or, good morning, my name is Fatima. I am calling from Global Insurance regarding your recent application. Or, hi, this is James. I am returning your call from earlier today. These introductions are clear. They tell the listener who you are and why you are calling. No confusion, no wasted time. Common mistake number 1. Many learners say, I am David, instead of, this is David. On the phone, always say, this is David, not I am David. Why? Because this is the standard telephone English phrase. I am is more for face-to-face introductions. So remember, on the phone, always say, this is. Now let us learn some of the most important phrases for a professional call. These are phrases that every professional English speaker uses every single day. When you want someone to wait, say, could you please hold for a moment? Or, please hold the line. I will be right with you. Or, would you mind waiting for just a minute while I check that for you? Never just say wait or 1 second. That sounds rude and unprofessional. Always add please and always give a reason if you can. It shows respect for the caller's time. When you cannot hear clearly, say, I am sorry, could you please repeat that? Or, I beg your pardon, I did not quite catch that. Or, I am sorry, the line is not very clear. Could you speak a little louder, please? Do not say, what? Or, huh? These are very informal and impolite in a professional setting. Always use full, polite phrases. When you want to transfer a call, say, I will connect you to the right department now. Or, let me transfer your call to our billing team. Please hold. Or, I am going to put you through to my manager. One moment, please. When you need to take a message, say, I am afraid he is not available at the moment. May I take a message? Or, she is in a meeting right now. Can I have your name and number and ask her to call you back? Or, he is away from his desk. Would you like to leave a message or try again later? These phrases are gold. Learn them, practice them, use them every day. Now let us do a real dialogue. Listen carefully, then we will practice together. Situation. A customer calls a hotel to make a reservation. Receptionist. Good afternoon, Grand Palace Hotel. This is Aisha speaking. How may I help you? Caller. Hello. I would like to make a room reservation, please. Receptionist. Of course, I would be happy to help you with that. May I ask what dates you are looking at? Caller. I need a room from the 10th to the 13th of next month. Receptionist. Wonderful. And would that be for one guest or more? Caller. Just for one person. Receptionist. Perfect. Could I have your name, please? Caller. Yes, my name is Carlos Mendez. Receptionist. Thank you, Mr. Mendez. Let me check our availability for those dates. Could you hold for just a moment? Caller. Of course. Receptionist. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Mendez. I am pleased to confirm we have a deluxe single room available. Shall I go ahead and book that for you? Or caller. Yes, please. Receptionist. Excellent. Your reservation has been confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Caller. No, that is everything. Thank you so much. Receptionist. It was my pleasure, Mr. Mendez. We look forward to welcoming you. Have a wonderful day. Caller. You too. Goodbye. Receptionist. Goodbye. Did you notice the tone? Warm, clear, professional, and helpful throughout the entire call. The receptionist used the caller's name, Mr. Mendez, multiple times. This is a powerful technique. Using someone's name makes them feel valued. It shows respect. Use this in your calls too. Now let us practice together. This is your repeat after me section. I will say a phrase. You say it out loud after me. Ready? Good morning. Thank you for calling. Say it. Good morning. Thank you for calling. How may I help you? Say it. How may I help you? Could you please hold for a moment? Say it. Could you please hold for a moment? I am sorry. Could you please repeat that? Say it. I am sorry. Could you please repeat that? May I take a message? Say it. May I take a message? Thank you for your patience. Say it. Thank you for your patience. We look forward to hearing from you. Say it. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day. Say it. Have a wonderful day. Excellent work. You are doing so well. Keep going. Let us now talk about ending a call professionally. This is something many learners forget to prepare for, but the ending of a call is just as important as the beginning. It leaves the final impression. Here are professional ways to end a call. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Take care. Thank you for your time. We will be in touch soon. I will follow up with you by email. Thank you and goodbye. Is there anything else I can help you with before we hang up? Always confirm what was discussed before you end the call. This shows that you were listening and that you are professional. For example, just to confirm, I have booked your appointment for Tuesday at 3 p.m. You will receive a reminder message tomorrow. Thank you so much for calling. Have a lovely evening. This summary at the end of the call shows that you are organized, reliable, and professional. It also prevents misunderstandings. Pronunciation tip number 2. The phrase, have a great day, is used constantly in professional English, especially in North America. Practice making it sound warm and genuine, not flat or robotic. Smile while you say it. Yes, really, smiling while you speak changes the sound of your voice. The caller can feel it. Try it. Have a great day. Now with a smile. Have a great day. Do you hear the difference? Your voice becomes warmer and more inviting. This simple technique can transform your telephone presence completely. Now let us talk about some important cultural tips for professional telephone communication. Cultural tip number 1. In English-speaking professional environments, time is very important. Do not make the caller wait without explaining why. Always say, "Please hold," or "Give me just a moment." Never go silent. Silence on a phone call feels rude and unprofessional. Cultural tip number 2. Use formal language with people you do not know well. Use Mr. and Ms. with their last name until they invite you to use their first name. For example, Mr. Johnson or Ms. Lee. This shows respect. Cultural tip number 3. In many cultures, it is normal to talk for a long time and build a relationship before getting to the point of a call. In professional English calls, especially in Western business settings, it is polite to get to the point relatively quickly. Start with a brief greeting, confirm who you are speaking with, and then state your reason for calling. You can still be warm and friendly. Just be efficient too. Cultural tip number 4. Always speak clearly and at a moderate speed. If your natural speaking speed is very fast, slow down during professional calls. Remember, the person may be taking notes. They need to understand every word you say. Now let us do another dialogue. This time it is a business-to-business call. Situation. An employee calls to schedule a meeting. Caller. Good morning. May I speak with Ms. Chen, please? Receptionist. Good morning. May I ask who is calling? Caller. Yes, this is Robert Park calling from Sunrise Technologies. Receptionist. Thank you, Mr. Park. One moment, please. Ms. Chen. Hello, this is Linda Chen speaking. Caller. Good morning, Ms. Chen. This is Robert Park from Sunrise Technologies. I hope you are doing well. Ms. Chen. Hello, Mr. Park. Yes, thank you. How can I help you? Caller. I am calling to schedule a brief meeting at your convenience. We would love to present our new software solution to your team. Ms. Chen. That sounds interesting. Could you tell me a little more about what the presentation would cover? Caller. Of course. It is a 45-minute overview of how our platform can help reduce reporting time by up to 30%. Many companies in your industry have found it very useful. Ms. Chen, that does sound relevant. Let me check my calendar. Would sometime next week work for you? Caller. Absolutely. I am flexible from Monday to Wednesday, anytime between 10 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. Ms. Chen. Let us say Tuesday at 11. Does that work? Caller. Tuesday at 11 works perfectly. Shall we meet at your office or would you prefer a video call? Ms. Chen. A video call would be more convenient for us. Caller. Wonderful. I will send a calendar invitation with the video link to your email today. Could you confirm your email address for me? Ms. Chen. It is l.chen@meridian.com. Caller. Thank you so much, Ms. Chen. I will send that over within the hour. I look forward to speaking with you next Tuesday. Ms. Chen. Likewise. Thank you for reaching out. Caller. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Ms. Chen. You too. Goodbye. That was a perfect professional call. Notice how Robert was polite, prepared, and efficient. He explained why he was calling, he was flexible, he confirmed the details, and he ended the call warmly. This is exactly what a professional call in English should sound like. Now let us talk about something very important, your mindset. I know that many of you feel nervous about speaking English on the phone, and I understand why. When you cannot see the person's face, it can feel more difficult. You cannot read their expressions. You cannot use gestures. It is just your voice and your words. But here is what I want you to remember. The person on the other end of the call is not judging your accent. They are not counting your grammar mistakes. They just want to communicate. They want to solve a problem or get information, and so do you. That is something you both share. That common goal is your greatest strength. Every professional you admire was once a beginner. Every confident English speaker made mistakes. The only difference between them and where you are now is practice. So do not wait until you are perfect to start. Start now, and you will become perfect through practice. The most important thing you can do is pick up the phone, make the call, answer when it rings. Yes, you might make mistakes. Yes, you might pause and search for words. That is completely normal. Every time you do it, you get better. Every single time. Let us now do a quick speaking drill. I will give you a situation. You say the phrase out loud. Ready? Situation 1. Someone calls and you need them to wait. What do you say? Could you please hold for a moment? I will be right with you. Situation 2, you did not hear the caller's name clearly. What do you say? I am sorry, could you please repeat your name? Situation 3, the person they want to speak with is not available. What do you say? I am afraid she is not available right now. May I take a message? Situation 4, the call is ending and you want to confirm what was discussed. What do you say? Just to confirm, your appointment is scheduled for Thursday at 2 p.m. You will receive a confirmation shortly. Situation 5, you want to transfer the call. What do you say? Let me connect you to the right department. Please hold. Brilliant. You are doing amazing. These phrases are now part of your professional vocabulary. Let us do a quick summary of everything we learned today. To answer a call professionally, always greet the caller, state your company or department name, give your own name, and offer to help. On the phone, say "this is" followed by your name, not "I am." Use polite holding phrases like, "Could you please hold for a moment?" and always give a reason. If you cannot hear clearly, use full polite phrases like, "I am sorry. Could you please repeat that?" When taking a message, confirm the caller's name, number, and reason for calling. When ending a call, summarize what was discussed, thank the caller, and wish them well. Use the caller's name during the conversation. It builds rapport and shows respect. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace, especially if the caller might be taking notes. Smile while you speak. Your voice sounds warmer, and the caller feels it. Practice these phrases every day, and your confidence will grow with every call. And that brings us to your daily practice challenge. Today, I want you to do one thing. I want you to practice the opening greeting out loud 10 times. Stand up if you can, hold your phone, and say, "Good morning, thank you for calling. This is your name speaking. How may I help you?" Say it 10 times. Change the time of day, morning, afternoon, evening. Change your name to your real name. Make it yours. Own it. Because that greeting is the very first impression you make, and you want it to be excellent. If you do this every day for 1 week, I promise you that by next week, answering a professional call in English will feel completely natural. That is how powerful daily practice is. Now, before I let you go, I want to say something directly to you. You made it to the end of this lesson. That already tells me something about you. It tells me you are serious about improving. It tells me you are committed, and that is exactly the kind of person who becomes fluent. So I am proud of you, and I believe in you completely. If this lesson helped you today, please give it a thumbs up right now. It helps more learners like you find this video, and it tells me that you want more lessons like this one. Subscribe to this channel if you have not already, because every week we release new lessons that are designed to help you speak English with real confidence in real situations. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And in the comments below, I want you to write your professional phone greeting. Write exactly how you would answer a call at your workplace. I personally read every comment, and I would love to see yours. Share this video with a friend or colleague who is learning English, because learning together is always more powerful than learning alone. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and always remember, your voice matters. Use it with confidence, take care, and goodbye for now.